Lead, Cape Coast Ogwa. Yeah! Yeah, Aguaba. Let's go! We celebrate with Kumasi, we celebrate with Accra. Cape Coast Festival! September in Cape Coast, the city comes alive. From London Bridge to Elmina, history will survive. Laughing fantas everywhere, cracking jokes all day. Even when they're serious, they'll still find a way to play. Elephante people, yeah, wazo, yeah. Say wazo, yeah. Chalefante for your special. Kotokuraba markets buzzing, boats upon the sea. Ogwa, Ogwa, Ogwa. Ogwa festival calling, come and dance with me. Ah, shake, shake it, oh. From Kakum's canopy to castles by the shore. Cape Coast Aquaba. September in Cape Coast. Ogwa festival. Drums are talking as Sappho marching, make you shout, turn up. Good schools rising, giants of the land. Hadisa Del Pensipim, Wesley girls, we stand. September in Cape Coast. Ogwa festival. Chalice Central raging boys be sharp. Angry mem no be joko. Holy child and fine girls. Tourists walking through the streets, snapping every smile. Palm wine, fresh Kenkey, let's sit and chat a while. Fantas love their humor, gentle hearts so free. Even when they're teasing you, it's pure hospitality. I say let's go to Orange Friday. Whispers or Club 161. Cape Coast, Aquaba, Obake, Obake. Hey, Fante man, why you talk so slow? Because good things take time, oh. Hey, Fante girl, why you dress so fine? Because Ogwa is always shining. From Cape Coast to Salt Pond, laughter fills the air. Education is